Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to copy style on Canva. So as you can see on here, I'm using Canva for PC. I think it's really handyful rather than on a mobile version. So here I have text that already edit the effect. I adding some background, and then here the photos that circular line edit on this photo. So how to copy this format into the next slide I created? So actually it's really easy. You just go to this copy style button, or you right click and then copy style, or you can click Control Alt C. So for me, I just press right click and then copy style, and then I click on the text I want to paste the style. See, now exactly the style already pasted on this text. And then not only for the text but also for image like this, I already add some frame on this image. I can click copy style and then click on the next image I want to paste the style. Very easy, very helpful if you are creating many slides or many Instagram story on Canva. It's really helpful to copying style on your Canva. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.